Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we provide valuable insights and tips for software developers. In today's video, we will discuss an important aspect of software development, consistency. Consistency plays a vital role in writing clean, maintainable, and efficient code. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, these tips will help you improve your consistency. Let's dive in. First is establishing coding standards. Consistency starts with establishing coding standards within your team or organization. Agree upon a set of guidelines that cover code, formatting, naming conventions, indentations, comments, and more. Having a clear and consistent set of coding standards will ensure that everyone follows the same practices, making code reviews and collaboration much smoother. Next is use of version control. Version control systems such as Git are essential tools for maintaining consistency in your code base. By using version control, you can track changes, manage branches, and collaborate effectively with your team. Regularly commit your code, create meaningful commit messages, and follow the established branching and merging strategies. This helps maintain a well-structured code base and enables seamless collaboration. Next is documenting your code. Documenting your code is crucial for improving consistency and aiding in code understanding and maintenance. Write clear and concise comments that explain the purpose, functionality, and usage of the code. Documenting your code not only helps other developers who may work on the project, but also serves as a reference for yourself in the future. Next is design patterns and their importance. Design patterns are proven solutions to common programming problems. By following these established patterns and practices, you ensure consistency in your code base and improve its readability and maintainability. Familiarize yourself with commonly used design patterns, architectural principles, and coding techniques specific to your programming language or framework. Next is consistent naming conventions. Consistent naming conventions play a crucial role in code readability and maintainability. Choose meaningful and descriptive names for variables, functions, classes, and other elements of your code. Follow a consistent naming style such as camel case or a snake case, and be mindful of using clear and self-explanatory names. Code reviews and pair programming are excellent practices for improving consistency. Engage in regular code reviews with your team members to ensure adherence to coding standards, identify potential issues, and exchange knowledge. Pair programming allows you to collaborate in real time, promoting consistency and enabling immediate feedback and learning. Finally, consistent learning and improvement are essential for staying up to date with the latest technologies, practices, and tools. Attend workshops, conferences, and online courses to expand your knowledge. Actively seek feedback from peers and mentors to identify areas for improvement. Consistently strive to enhance your skills and adapt to changing industry trends. Consistency is a key attribute of successful software developers. By establishing coding standards, using version control, documenting your code, following design patterns, and practicing continuous learning, you can greatly improve your consistency as a developer. We hope these tips have provided you with valuable insights to enhance your coding consistency. Remember, consistency leads to the cleaner code, smoother collaboration, and more efficient software development. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching and happy coding.